Hey everyone, my name's Campbell. I'm the founder of CTO.ai. We build tools that help companies to support their engineers by giving them a framework for build really great developer workflows and developer experiences. Today I'm going to tell you a little bit about how you get started with the Ops platform. There's sort of two main premises of the Ops platform. First is you need to be able to install the CLI, and secondarily you need to be able to install Docker so that you can run what's called containers on your computer. So I'm going to show you how to get started with this. So first of all, what's important to know is I'm on Mac and you might be on Windows, so things might be a little bit different, but generally the steps are pretty much the same. So let's just jump over to a view of the browser and the terminal here, and I'll show you how we can get started. So what you see here is on our website, and obviously you can sign up directly from our website. Once you sign up, you'll have an account, but you also need to be able to install the CLI on your local computer. To get more details on how to do that, you can click on the docs section here, where we talk through a number of the concepts about what the Ops platform is, how to use it, how to get started. We have a quick getting started guide here that you can use if you already are familiar with these concepts. But if you're not, I'm going to walk you through them today. So the first step is that you got to install Docker on your computer. So if you just search Docker desktop for Mac, what you'll end up with is a website right here where you can quickly install a Docker for desktop binary that'll allow you to control Docker right from your taskbar. Once you've done that and you see that Docker's running, you'll also need to install Node.js for Mac. And if you search that, you'll see the download link here, and you can just download the Mac OS or Windows installer. Pretty soon you won't need to do either of these steps because we will set up the CLI so that it can be installed directly from one command. But right now, during our beta, in order to help us to iterate quickly, we're leveraging NPM. We've been using NPM for a long time, really big fans of them. And as a way to distribute the CLI quickly and changes to the CLI quickly, we're leveraging as the primary install method. So once I've got Docker and NPM installed, I should be able to just type NPM and I should be able to see that NPM works. From there, I need to NPM install -g at CTO.ai, which is our organization name, /ops, which is the package name. The -g will install it globally. I recommend that you don't install this with sudo or any other special privileges. And once you run this, it'll actually go to the NPM registry, download the CLI code, and register it on your local computer so that you can use it. This code is completely open source. It's available on our GitHub if you want to look at how the code works. And it's written in TypeScript, compiled to JavaScript. Feel free to contribute to it or submit a merge request if you'd like. So you can see here there's a little note about using dark terminal experiences. We don't currently have a theme for a light terminal experience, so we recommend a dark one because the CLI is pretty interactive and uses a lot of different colors. I recommend the Solarize theme. That's my favorite, and it's what I have here. So once I have the CLI installed, I can simply ops account sign up to be able to create an account if I haven't already done so on the website. When I run this, it'll actually throw me into the sign up flow on the website. But because I already have an account, what I'm going to do is I'm going to ops account sign in because I've already registered on the website. Similarly, it's going to pop up the browser, and I'm just going to put in my username and password here. And as you can see, the CLI now is authenticated and it has my user account. Well, that's all you need to be able to do to get started with installing the CLI. The next step would be just to search the registry. Once you search the registry, you're going to see a pop-up here for public, private, or local. This means you can search the public registry, your private registry that you share with your team, or the local working directory that you're in case you've checked any ops into your actual repository. There's sort of an interactive experience here for browsing through the search results. And if I just select this temperature op, it'll tell me how to run it. So if I just run this, it'll be the first time that I've run this off. And what you'll see here is the Ops platform will automatically synchronize the temperature up down from our container service. And once it's done, it'll execute and it should tell me what the temperature is here in Vancouver. This is a fun little demo op that we use just to demonstrate the idea. And now that I've downloaded and synchronized this to my computer, I should be able to run it at any time. So thanks. I hope this helps you get started with the OS platform. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at support@CTO.ai or head on over to our website and click that little chat button in the bottom. It comes right to us, and we'd be happy to jump on a call with you anytime to make sure that you can be successful installing the tools. Thanks very much. Talk to you soon.